Headache English, well done.
Headache English, words to discuss. Sight versus sight. Confidant versus confident. Phase versus phase. Human versus humane. Your versus your.
Cite versus cite. Cite, verb. To quote or mention a passage as justification, commend or praise.
Sight, noun. Vision, view or glimpse.
Examples. Cite. We need to cite more related topics about our thesis.
Sight, the culprit was frightened at the sight of the witness.
Let us use the words together. I need to listen and focus my sight on the slides because the teacher will cite important details that might be included in our exam.
Confidant versus confident. Confidant, noun. A person or a companion that can be trusted.
Confident, adjective optimistic or self-assured.
Examples. Confidant. Karius is my brother's advisor and confidant.
Confident, the company is confident about the project they are proposing to the clients.
Let us use the words together. I am not confident enough to face the crowd without my confidant.
Phase versus phase. Phase, verb. To disturb someone.
Phase, noun. A stage of change in development.
Examples. Phase. Aries did not phase about the news he heard.
Phase, it's sad to see them going through a difficult phase of childhood.
Let us use the words together. I hope that this hard phase of our lives will suffice soon so when a new challenge appears, it won't phase us anymore. Said Cleo.
Human versus humane. Human, noun. A human being or a person.
Humane, adjective showing kindness or compassion for people and animals.
Examples. Human, the song that he composed talks about human sufferings.
Humane, do you think they are showing humane act?
Let us use the words together. We should not deprive her of basic human rights and be humane.
Your versus your. Your shows possession.
Your. Shortcut of you are.
Examples. Your. I need to know your contact number so I can text you later.
Your. Congratulations, you're one of the winners.
Let us use the words together. Are you on the way to the event? I hope you're with your sister. Ace excitedly exclaimed.
You're in the mid part of the video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Now, let us take a glimpse of the happiness of the college students who just graduated.
Hi, Amber. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Jax. I'm so happy that we finally graduate.
Me too. Where are your parents? I want to congratulate them too.
Oh, they're with your parents. Mom is so proud of you, she said you're almost good at everything.
Well, I won't be able to these things without you as my confidant. You're pretty good too.
I'm flattered. I think I am more confident when you became my partner. Let's go to our other friends to congratulate them.
Good thing you cited that. I want to take a sight of other graduates too.
Congratulations, guys. This is the moment of truth.
Yes. I am thankful that even we encountered many hard phases in this journey, it did not phase us.
I think sticking together in times of hardship is the secret.
Plus, our professors are so considerable and humane towards every student.
They should be. We are only humans, we lack but we can still survive.
Right. Now, what's the plan?
Let's check your knowledge. Direction, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. We will have a blank inspection today. Number 2. We will distribute the tasks, Trisha will be the one to blank the importance of this study. Number 3. I can't bear the blank of this movie.
Letter A. Cite. Letter B. Cite.
The correct answers are: Number 2. Letter A. We will distribute the tasks, Trisha will be the one to cite the importance of this study. Number 3. Letter B. I can't bear the sight of this movie.
Number 4. I can't believe that my father's former blank betrayed us. Number 5. We lost blank when James refused to join the game. Number 6. Be blank, you really need it when you're about to face the crowd.
Letter A. Confidant. Letter B. Confident.
The The correct answers are: number 4. Letter A, I can't believe that my father's former confidant betrayed us. Number 6. Letter B, be confident. You really need it when you're about to face the crowd.
Number 7. Jen made blank when she heard the bad news. Number 8. I am going through a blank where I don't want to be seen by anyone. Number 9. Venus slap didn't blank him.
Letter A. Phase. Letter B. Phase.
The correct answers are: number 8. Letter B. I am going through a phase where I don't want to be seen by anyone. Number 9. Letter A. Venus slap didn't faze him.
Number 10. Everyone deserves blank treatment. Number 11. Blank body will react when it's hurt. Number 12. They succeed when they blank the game.
Letter A. Human. Letter B. Humane.
The correct answers are: number 10. Letter B, everyone deserves humane treatment. Number 11. Letter A, human body will react when it's hurt.
Number 13. Blank will be representing the whole nation. Number 14. I think blank too much for saying harsh words. Number 15. Apologies, I forgot to bring blank request.
Letter A. Your. Letter B. Your.
The correct answers are: number 14. Letter B, I think you're too much for saying harsh words. Number 15. Letter A, apologies, I forgot to bring your request. Congratulations! You're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't